How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? So, I want to check. I want to buy something for the cold. You have anything? I cannot sleep because it's hot. My room.
Okay. What you buy?
I don't know. How something the. I want the feeling very cool. If want to sleep, right? You have anything? You
I
don't
don't
know.
speak English.
Can you help Mr. Madan? Maybe Mr. Madan cannot speak. Cannot explain for me.
Nggak paham kan? Hah? Memang bukan original English kan?
Yes, right.
English.
So, how about the York brand? How about the cool? How many BTU if 1 horsepower?
100, 129 BTU.
1,000? Wow. Yes, if the AUX 900, right? Yes, right. 9,000? Right, I check first. I check first. Oh yeah, very good. So how much is this one? York, oh my God. Right, this one include the installation? I want us the Mr. Madan. Mr. Madan?
Jika
No, Chika, I was speaking. I cannot Chinese speak.
tidak ada masalah.
这就他姐，
Lanjut saja.
六他姐就这就他姐。
Tidak ada masalah. Tengah namun dong.
Bah, okay lah, thank you lah.
Dengan orang nanya bukan apa tadi.